Hi, my name is Jane. Welcome back to my channel. If you ever stared at your to-do list for hours and done everything except the thing that actually matters, you're not alone. Procrastination is something we all battle with. Yes, that one task that you're meant to do that will change things for you, but you're avoiding it. But don't worry, today I will share 5 science-backed strategies to finally beat procrastination for good. Yes, but before we do that, make sure you hit the like button, share, subscribe, and put on your notification button so that you see when I drop this valuable content, and comment the tip that hits home for you. Let's get into it. The first tip is to identify your triggers. According to researcher Dr. Tim Fissel, shows that procrastination isn't about poor time management. He said it's about emotional regulation. We avoid tasks that triggers negative feelings of maybe fear of failure, or maybe your boredom, self-doubt. Sometimes people are thinking, what if I mess up? What if it's too hard? You can't be bothered. So the first thing really is for you to take action if you're experiencing these kind of emotional or negative feelings. So keep a procrastination journal. Yes, every time you delay in getting things done, write it down. Write the task you're avoiding and then how you're feeling at that moment. The second tip is time blocking. It works. Instead of endless to-do list, which sometimes it works, just assign tasks to specific time blocks, and science does say that structured planning reduces decision fatigue and boosts focus. So have it in, have time assigned to it, date and time assigned to it, and use colors, to obviously identify and map out this task type. If you're, I use my my notepad on my iPhone. It's very important you can do that and keep it very visual. And maybe you can even use sticky notes or digital sticky notes. If you're using the computer, I use digital post-it as well, to keep you, reminding you of that particular task that you need to do. Tip number 3 is having a 5-minute rule. If you're struggling to start a task, like you want to maybe, declutter your cupboard, or you want to clean your house, or you want to complete a task at work, and then you're finding, you don't have the motivation, tell yourself, just in 5 minutes. And if it means you setting a timer for yourself, set a timer that will count from 5 minutes to 0. Sometimes we do hesitate, just start, right? And this is why it works. This kickstarts momentum, and once you start, continuing feels really natural. So give this a try. Next tip is for you to optimize your environment. You can't focus in chaos. You know that. A cluttered desk or phone or environment does kill productivity. So for myself, before I start my video, I make sure that I tidy up everywhere, set my my environment, my frame the way I want it, and try this. Use do not disturb. Maybe if you actually have a task that you're focusing on, like for instance for work, I'll use do not disturb on Teams, so whatever it is, people would obviously not contact me at that time unless it's really important. And noise cancelling headphones is another good one you can use. Sometimes when I'm in at the office and it's quite noisy, I'll just put it, or maybe I even use my iPod as well. It helps. And make sure that you keep your desktop work only. Obviously according to research, environment cues triggers focus, so design your space for success. Fifth thing is to use rewards, and because dopamine isn't just pleasure, it feels motivation. Reward yourself. Tell yourself you're going to take yourself out for a dinner. Yes, 25 minutes work equals 5 minutes scroll social media. Unfinished tasks, and you walk, you can say go for a walk. When I finish filming this, I'm going to go out for a walk. And if it's end of the week, you can actually treat yourself to a lovely meal, or maybe for me, my go-to is just having that time to catch up on my series on Netflix. So very important for me. So as you know, reward your progress, not just perfection. The bonus tip is accountability. Sometimes all you need is someone to be accountable to. So share your goals with your friend, a trusted friend. Join a community group that would help you as well to keep you accountable. Even post them online. Let someone that you know keep you accountable, right? As you know, procrastination isn't laziness, it's strategy. Use these tools that I've mentioned in this video to build momentum and watch your productivity skyrocket. And if you have found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment "I'm done with procrastination" below, and I'll see you in my next one.